Mama. Hey, Mama, what is wrong with you, Mama? Why are you doing this? You're in my husband's house, for goodness sake. You're embarrassing me.
Stella, old habits can never die. It's not like I started drinking today. But with this, Muna missing and everything.
And you think alcohol is the best solution to it?
The best solution.
Mama, stop. Don't do this. What do you think my husband would say if he comes back here? Mama, let me go and clean. Mama, stop! Mama, stop! Oh my God! Mama, stop!
What?
Mama!
What? No, what's the meaning of this? And she's still drinking? No, what is this? Oh, my Nigo Italian marble? Really? No, who is this person?
My mother is not feeling well and you're concerned about your marble?
So of all monkeys in the world, you chose this one to be your mother? Huh? Of all evil things, you chose this one?
I know.
Clean that nonsense up right now. Clean that up right now.
Okay, Mama.
You will not understand.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Why are you doing this?
I want my son back.
You just embarrassed me before my husband. Mama, stop now. Stop this. I don't like it. Stop this nonsense.
I am not doing nonsense. Just give me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.